Partnerships can bring you high-quality leads without competing on price. Here are 5 local partnerships repair shops can start this week. 1. Partner with nearby businesses that share your audience. Car washes, tire shops, detailers, phone retailers, towing companies, even coffee shops. Offer a referral swap. They send you customers, you send them customers. 2. Create a simple preferred partner card or QR code. When a partner refers someone, the customer gets a small perk, like a free inspection or accessory, and the partner gets a thank you reward. 3. Work with property managers and fleets, apartments, delivery services, small contractors. These groups need reliable, fast repairs. Create a fleet page on your website with clear pricing tiers and priority scheduling. 4. Tap into community events. Sponsor a youth team, set up a booth at a market, or offer a free safety check day. Take photos and post them. This boosts brand trust and local SEO. 5. Collaborate with micro-influencers in your city. Not celebrities, local moms, car enthusiasts, or gadget reviewers with engaged audiences. Give them a behind-the-scenes tour and a real story to share. Pick 2 partnerships and nurture them monthly.